Hi! So today is Wednesday's video, and you're going to reread the Monarch Butterfly book, and you're going to find the beginning, middle, and end of the life cycle. So you really need to focus on just really the first half of the book. So I'm going to read the parts that you need, and you're going to use that to find what happens first in a monarch butterfly's life, and what happens next, and then finally what happens. Okay. A monarch butterfly settles on the leaf of a milkweed plant. She gently presses a tiny egg onto one of its leaves. The egg is the beginning of another. So this is one of the first parts, okay? The first part. It's summertime in the north. A breeze stirs the stem of the milkweed plant. The monarch egg is white and shiny. It is the size of a small dot and sticks to the leaf. So in the beginning, it's an egg. When the butterfly lays the egg, she makes it sticky. Wind and rain cannot make the egg come loose. In a few days, the egg hatches. Out crawls a small caterpillar, also called a larva. First, the caterpillar eats the eggshell and then chews away at the milkweed leaf. The egg of a monarch is almost always laid on a milkweed plant. The plant will be its food. So it first was an egg, it hatched, and now it's a larva. The caterpillar eats and grows and begins to change. It breaks out of its old skin, showing a new skin underneath. This is called molting. For 2 weeks, the caterpillar eats and eats. It molts about 5 times. Finally, it's a full-grown monarch caterpillar, about 2 inches long. Now, something wonderful begins to happen. The caterpillar creeps to the stem of a leaf. It attaches itself to the stem and drops down head first. The caterpillar's bright colors become greenish. Then the skin splits and moves up to the top. The skin falls off. A new strange form appears. It's called the chrysalis or pupa. The chrysalis is like a blanket that is wrapped around the body, growing inside. So it was an egg, then it was a larva, then it was a caterpillar, now it's in its chrysalis. At first the chrysalis is long and soft. Then it shrinks and hardens and becomes light green, decorated with gold dots. Inside, the monarch butterfly begins to grow. About 2 weeks later, the chrysalis changes again. It turns gray-green before becoming transparent. Remember, transparent means that it's see-through. Inside are white dots and orange and black lines. The chrysalis wiggles, then it splits open. The butterfly begins to pull itself out. The head and legs appear first, and then the rest of it slides out. The wings are tiny and stuck together, and the butterfly's abdomen is big. The abdomen becomes smaller when its fluid is pumped into the wings. The wings become bigger. A caterpillar has turned into a butterfly. This is called metamorphosis. So I want you to use what we just read to find the beginning, middle, and end of the butterfly's life cycle. And you're going to discuss it and draw a picture of it. And you can upload the picture that you draw to your Class Dojo portfolio. All right.